Welcome to the Ridge Outdoors. Today we have a special helper for this unboxing. Sarek, he's a dog we're babysitting right now. He is a French Bulldog. He's a paraplegic, so he has his own little wheelchair. We'll try to cut in a couple of things of him tearing down the sidewalk and his little wheelchair. But today is the first time I received a Battlbox, and we're gonna do a opening on it. So check it out. So it's the first time, like I said, ever having a Battlbox. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. I have no idea what's inside here. This is just the basic box, so hopefully we're not disappointed, and hopefully there's way more than we think there's gonna be in here. And we'll see what Sarah thinks as we go along the way. So this is mission 82. We'll kind of reference this as we go. It's a little pamphlet that I've seen on other videos that just has everything in here and what it's actually worth. So like I was saying, this is a $40 box. It comes with about $50 with shipping. So we'll see what all is in here. So here's what it's looking like just right off the bat. It looks like we have a deodorant stick and then a book and something else. All right, so first thing we got in here is squirrel's nut butter, all natural anti-chafe salve. So let's see what this says about that. So it's pretty much just anti-chafe stick worth $17. So that's almost half the box right there. Let's see. Really has no scent to it that I can smell. So with the squirrel's nut butter anti-chafe salve, looks like a tube of deodorant, like I said. Packaging kind of cool, has a little squirrel in it. See if he smells anything. See how it feels like. Feels kind of just like Vaseline-ish, like a really hard Vaseline.
How's it feel, babe?
I don't know, it doesn't really feel like anything. It's not greasy, which I like because I hate greasy crap on my hand. Next we have Super Skin. It's a sorted 12-pack of Super Skin bandages for treating cuts and scrapes on the knees, elbows, and fingers. So that's gonna be that. We'll see what the book says about it. Okay, next, along with this is a gauze mod or gauze pad. Looks like just a bunch of gauzes. I don't know if there's anything special about them. Yeah, it looks like just prepackaged gauze. So a lot of first aid stuff so far. Next we have the Ultimate Self-Sufficiency Manual. Just has a bunch of off-the-grid information and edibles, how to raise chickens, all kinds of stuff. So pretty cool book. Let's see, that's valued at $22.50. All right, next we have First Aid and Survival, just a little mini book, so a pocket book. You could easily throw this in your bug out bag. As we're doing snake bites, signaling, different survival gear you need, how to get unlost knots. So pretty cool. That's along with these two items as well. And last thing in here is just a coupon for ReadyWise prepackaged like dehydrated food. You can get the 5-gallon buckets of food, but 25% off. So all in all, first opinions. Gonna try all this stuff out. I'll read through the books and give these a look at. I'm cutting myself all the time, so that'll probably come in handy. Everything, according to the book, is valued at around $60. And after shipping, like I said, it was high 40s or about $50. So I'm gonna definitely keep this for a few months, see what I get every month. I have a mystery box I'm gonna be opening up soon, so look forward to that video. And as I keep going, we're going to keep testing this stuff out, and we'll see what goes on from there. So thanks for watching. We'll see if Sarek's up to another video soon, and we'll see you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Distracting with food. See, we get that ASMR.